Beacons.ai is a completely free link in bio tool that allows you to have a link in bio site, build a website, send emails, create digital products, and add affiliate offers. You can do so much with the free plan. However, they do have a couple options for paid plans that might be worth it for you. So I'm going to show you how to upgrade to a Creator Pro plan, why you might want to do it, and how to actually make it happen inside your account. Once you're logged into Beacons.ai, you will probably see an upgrade and go pro button. So you can always click on learn more and it will bring up this screen about why you might want to upgrade to pro. So there are a couple different options for pro and they're going to start you off on this Store Pro one. And it is a really great plan because it includes everything with the Creator Pro and 0% transaction fees on every sale. So you're not giving up a chunk of your sales if you are selling digital products with Beacons. However, there are a few things that you probably don't need if you're just getting started. You might not be selling courses or you might not want to send unlimited emails. There's a lot here that's really awesome. There are a few things on the Store Pro plan that are really great, including that 0% seller fees and courses, memberships, unlimited emails, all of that. But there's also just some things that you might not want to do from the beginning of your business. If you're newer, you want some features, but you don't necessarily need everything because you're not going to do everything at once. So you can start with the Creator Pro option. I really love this plan because it's only $10 per month. And if you do the annual plan, you actually are paying just $8.33 a month. You do pay it all at once, but you're saving money on the plan. The reason why this Creator Pro plan is awesome, and it is for beginner sellers, growing creators, people that are starting out, it's because it gives you a free custom domain. So basically, instead of having Beacons.ai in your domain, you have your own domain that you can brand to your new business. So whatever your branding is, whatever your name is, you can use that as your custom domain. It's included with this plan and it's awesome. Another great thing is 0% invoice fees. So if you are a creator billing brands for brand deals, you don't pay anything for that. It's amazing. Other great things on this plan are buy now, pay later. If you have some higher price products, so you want to offer payment plans, basically, you can send up to 500 emails per month and you can customize your product URLs, which is really helpful when you are trying to create a branded professional look with your website and get people to trust you enough to give you their money. So all of these things are really, really helpful. Also the real-time analytics and everything that they have that is kind of more advanced. I highly recommend you purchase it because of those settings. And then along with that is you remove the Beacons logo to your link in bio branding. And this again just makes you look so much more professional. It makes your brand look legitimate and it removes some of the like, oh, this person's not serious because they have all this free like company branded stuff from Beacons.ai and that's just a free tool. They're not serious. They're not making money. It overcomes a lot of the customer objections to you being a real brand, a real store, and someone that they can trust. So if you're ready to upgrade to this, I will show you how to do it. You can obviously just click upgrade to Creator Pro here. But if you don't have this little pop-up for whatever reason, I'll show you how to get there. So when you're logged in, you click on either your name or the little arrow at the bottom. It brings up this little pop-up. You click on account settings, then you go over to billing. So on billing, it will have the upgrade option here because if you have a free plan, you're not subscribed to anything. So here you can view and manage your subscriptions. So you just click on the upgrade button. That brings up that pop-up. So if you didn't have it on the side, which likely you will, just refresh your site. If you don't, it will bring up the pop-up where we just were. So the annual plan is $30 per month for the Store Pro, but remember the Creator Pro is probably good enough for most of you. So click on upgrade to Creator Pro, and then you get to select your free custom domain when you get started, or you can skip for now. So you can select whatever you like the most. So if you like that, you can click the claim button. So you claim that URL, or you can always skip for now and come back later. So I'm going to click claim createwithpennies.org. That's going to be my new URL because I'm upgrading to the Creator Pro plan and it comes with a custom URL. So I'm going to go ahead and click claim createwithpennies.org because that is going to be my custom domain through Beacons that I'm going to use. So click on that and we will move on to the next step, which is actually paying for our account. So up here, we will review Creator Pro. It's billed monthly, cancel at any time, and it gives you all of these features. So you can review all of the features and then you can see the domain that you're going to be getting that will be on your Beacons account. And then of course it says $0 for the first year because it's free for that first year. And then it gives you the pricing for the next year. So $10 for the next year, but the total amount due today is $10. When you scroll down, you're going to enter your payment details. So here you have the option to pay with PayPal, Google Pay, or enter your credit card information. So I already have my information entered. So I'm going to go ahead and pay with PayPal. So I'm going to click on PayPal. It's going to bring up PayPal and I'm going to enter all my payment information and then go back because it recognizes me on this account. So it's really simple. I just go through the checkout process and then I go back. Once I've entered my PayPal information, which I did off camera, you come back to this screen, or if you are entering your payment details here, you enter that and then you click the pay $10 button. And then once you're done, it says congrats, you are now a Beacons Pro member. So that's really exciting. Oddly enough, it did have an error message when I did PayPal and it said I need my name and zip code, but that went through after I went to go back to edit it. So oddly enough, Beacons might want to fix that. That was slightly confusing to me as a customer, but now you can see under billing that they have your subscription here. So Creative Pro monthly, $10 a month, and that is your subscription. So you can click on that and then it shows you your plan. And then if you want to cancel the subscription, you click cancel subscription here, or you can manage subscriptions and it will just bring up the options for you in case you want to upgrade to a different one. So if you decide at any time that this is not right to you, you can always go to the upgrade button again and upgrade to, let's say, Store Pro or Business Pro. If you have changed how your business is working and you're ready for the next level, you can do that. Or if you want to cancel, you would go to this subscriptions area, click on the little arrow to the right-hand side, and then go to cancel subscription. So right here, it will bring up a pop-up, and of course, it's going to want you to click not now to cancel, but if you're ready to cancel, you click confirm. So once you've confirmed you want to cancel, it will bring you back to that account settings page where your billing and subscriptions is shown. So before it brings you back to the subscriptions page, it's going to want to know why you're canceling and why you are doing this. And if you don't want to cancel, you can do that, or you can click next, and it goes through several different options. And honestly, I didn't really want to fill any of this out, but you can cancel if you want to. So those are the options for how to upgrade to the Creator Pro monthly plan. I have done this on Beacons, and I hope this video was helpful so that you can upgrade to the first level of Beacons subscription so you can get access to all of those awesome tools that will help you grow and look more professional with your own online business. I hope this was helpful, and definitely check out my other videos on Beacons.